Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs, and today I wanted to show you how I put together this colourful Hello Summer wall sign. So first up I have the outline, the circle for my wooden base, and then I'm just adding in each element from my Silhouette Studio library. And so you can see here I have a sun, the words Hello Summer, some sunglasses and 2 flip-flops. So I'm now just going through and tracing each of these elements in Silhouette Studio, and you can see here all the outlines of each element. So for this sign I wanted to make it as colourful as possible, so I've used the glitter black, the colourful glitter pink and the green, the glitter grape, glitter magenta, colourful glitter yellow and glitter cornflower blue. As always, I printed out a copy of my decal just to get an idea for sizing on the sign, and now I'm just going through and weeding all the different colours that I have chosen. So the S and one of the flip-flops in is the colourful glitter pink. Then we have a U in the colourful glitter green or mint. The M in grape, glitter grape, M in magenta, glitter magenta, and then the E and the sun, and also the straps of the flip-flops are in the colourful glitter yellow. And the colourful glitter range is quite a bit thicker than the glitter range of vinyls, but I like the different textures that each vinyl brings to this sign, even if one is a bit thicker than the other. So I'm just weeding off now the yellow, and then it's the cornflower blue for the R and one of the flip-flops using my weeding pen. And now we're up to the hello, which is in the glitter black, and using my weeding pen just to remove any excess there, and you'll see that comes out pretty easy, even though the glitter vinyls are thinner than the colourful glitter vinyls. So now I'm just putting together my flip-flops with the yellow straps, making sure everything's all lined up. Because of the thickness of these, I didn't use any transfer tape. I could just move those with my fingers quite easily, using my weeding pen to remove the straps and place them into the flip-flops. That was quite easy to do without transfer paper. And now I wanted to put the backing on, and I always put a vinyl backing on just to make sure that everything sticks down properly. Even though I've never had any issues with adding vinyl onto a wood base, I just wanted this to have a pink base as well. So I've cut that out, and I'm now using my squidgy just to push that down or burnish that down onto the wooden base. And it's a pretty simple process, goes on nice and easy. This pink is a matte pink, so it's very easy to use and works really well with the squidgy. Now I'm just cutting out the holes so I know where to put my string later on, and then I can also centre my design. So I'm using a super sharp X-Acto knife to get those 2 holes, just to remove the vinyl that's covering those, and that comes out easily, those matte vinyls. Now I'm just centering everything, making sure I get an idea of where I want all my designs. And for the colourful glitter range, you need to use a yellow grid transfer tape. that has a bit of a lot stickier surface, and that will easily pick up those thicker glitter vinyls. You can see it takes a little bit extra to pull off the pink vinyl, but there is the sun applied. And the next thing I'm going to add is one of the flip-flops. Just making sure everything's all going to center nicely. So again, I'm using my yellow grid transfer tape for the pink flip-flop and the letter S, and just centering that up nicely. Apologies for my filming here, but I'm centering that so the word summer goes in the middle there. Then next up, with the yellow transfer tape and my squidgy, is the second flip-flop. And these colours all together, I think, give such a good combination. Very summery. Now I'm up to the U in summer, and I'm just applying each of those. I was able to use just that one piece of transfer tape, so it is quite sticky, and it does hold its stickiness for quite a lot of the application that you might need. Different applications, so I've used this one quite a lot. Now we're up to this is the glitter magenta, the second M, and you can see it's an easy process with this yellow transfer tape and these thicker vinyls. You definitely need this type of transfer tape for these. Now we're on to the R, and we've finished the word summer. And next up is the hello, and that is in the glitter black, and that's the thinner vinyl, and that comes off really nicely and easily from the yellow transfer tape as well. Then my sunglasses, just using my weeding pen to get the backing off of that. And that's our sign done. Now we just have to add in some ribbon. I had a nice pink and white ribbon, which I thought matched in quite nicely. And you can push that through, start at the back, so that you leave the front clear, so nothing is blocking the sun that's there. And then just tie a quick knot at the top. And that is our Hello Summer sign all done. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope this was helpful and gives you a little bit of inspiration for a craft idea for this summer. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye bye.